Peace is what every human being is craving for, and it can be brought about by humanity through the child. A very lovely morning to each and everyone present here. This is Minakshi Chaudhary standing before you to present today's morning assembly on the theme Humanity Key to World Peace. My dear friends, when we rise in the morning and listen to the news or read newspaper, we confront with the same sad news of wars, poverty, violence, crime and disasters, which is seriously the break in progress of our modern world. In such a situation, it can be easy to lose faith in humanity, and it becomes important to view that as serious issue that need to be resolved. My dear friends, such world problems and conflict arise because we have lost humanity that binds us all human family. Someone beautifully said, the sole meaning of life is to serve humanity. And it's time to pray to God, and let's pray together for the healing of humanity. So join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. After prayer, we are united by living together in this land called India. Pledge of Allegiance is a unifying tool. It instills the sense of patriotism amongst us. Let us take a vow with Ileana from class 8. After pledge, humanity means caring for and helping others whenever and wherever possible. It means extending unconditional love to each and every living being on earth. And love makes the world go round. Let us promote love for us and for the world around us. Let us sow the seeds of humanity. We will have an entire planet blooming and glowing with peace and love. Let us move ahead. Let us help to survive humanity and forget our selfish interest at times when others need our help. To change our mindset, here I would like to call Tia from class 8 for today's thought. Good morning to all of you. My name is Tia. Today's thought is, you must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. Thank you and have a nice day. Afterthought. Newspaper provides information and general knowledge. It provides news about the country's economic situation, sports, employment. Means reading newspaper makes us all well informed. But in the hustle bustle of life, we do not get time to read newspaper. And here I would like to invite Prateek from class 8 for today's news. After news, why vocabulary is so important. A rich vocabulary is fun, fluent and expressive. Having a big vocabulary helps us to express or state something clearly and to speak fluently. Let us know word of the day, and for this I would like to invite Vani from class 7th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Vani. Word of the day is leniency, and the meaning is the fact or quality of being more merciful or tolerant than expected. And use of leniency in a sentence is, when the judge is in a good mood, he is often known to show leniency. Thank you. Have a nice day. After new word. Now we are at the end of today's morning assembly. The simplest way to display our love and loyalty to our country is to sing national anthem. And it's time to sing national anthem, so get ready for it and start. After national anthem, let us plant the seed of humanity in our heart, and it will blossom into peace. Let there be peace on everywhere, and let it begin with us. Thank you to all of you for cooperating, and have a nice day ahead.